look nice. And you also have to think about what's going to be up there like all year. So there's going to be Christmas decorations. There's going to be like stuff for spring. There's going to be regular decor. So you want something, I think it'll look nice against the stone. I think cream will look nice against the stone. So I've mixed it up. I probably added a little bit more water. I'm trying to break up the chunkiness. But honestly, it still dries. I don't know if this is like a horrible idea to reincorporate the plastic wood with a little bit of moisture. I've done it several times. It worked fine. If you guys know differently, please tell me, because I'd like to know. And obviously you don't need to use nearly as much as you think. Kind of do that. We'll sand it out. Oh, this makes me happy in my heart. I just haven't, you know, because Christmas and all the things, I just haven't really been doing much in the way of this kind of stuff for a while. And I don't know, I felt it this morning. I was like, I got to do something like this. I got to do some projectness. I got to do some painting. I got to do something. Need some paint on my hands. I'm not an expert at this, obviously, but I have done a variety of wood projects. I feel like I'm at least a intermediate, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Just don't assume that I don't know my shit because I'm female, because that'll piss me off. But you guys wouldn't do that, I don't think. You wouldn't do that. I'm sure. All you nice YouTube folks wouldn't even think of it. It wouldn't even occur to you, I feel like. Because that will make me mad. Now, if you got like actual advice, whatever, cool, great, awesome. If you're going to assume that I don't know something because I'm a woman, because I have done a lot of stuff related to projects and all the things, and I've got more to learn. Like most people have more to learn. There's so much you can know about working with wood, about taking care of your home, working with tile. There's just so many things. So I'm not like, oh, I can't, know information that's going to help me or improve my projects. That's great. I'm happy to get that kind of information. I'm less happy to get information like, little lady. And I'm from the South, you guys. That stuff is alive and well. Is alive and well. I have been buying a car that I'm going to put my name, and then the person, breaks stuff down for my husband. That's happened. And sometimes I want that to happen. I'm going to be all of that to say, please tell me if you feel like I could be doing something better. It's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm just not okay with condescension. Okay. You can tell me I'm okay with criticism, or I'm okay with you have more information or knowledge than me. Great. All day long. That's awesome. Because I'm happy to learn. I do this kind of stuff fairly often, so I'm happy to learn more stuff, but I'm not happy to be talked down to because I'm a gender. That didn't work out. Okay, so as you can see, I started to painting this sort of creamy white, and I just had, this is an old sample, which is perfect amount of paint for, a small project like this. So definitely wanted to use it. Hopefully you guys, you can see it's a very creamy white color. I think the name was Vintage Linen. So I've done my one coat of the white. Now I'm going to do the sort of tan beigey color. I'm going to do a couple coats of this one, and then I'm going to distress it just a little bit, not a lot. I changed clothes because these are more paint friendly. So, all right. And that's a fun thing. I mean, it's a small project. It's not going to take long. Do this. I don't like it, then I can edit it. I personally love small projects. I'm going to distress the corbels. So I have a little bit of sandpaper. I'm just going to do 100. That's what I have. I'm not going to do a ton. I'm just going to do a little bit. A little bit more. Kevin. Like a girl. Let's spray paint this today, copper. You can see a lot of these, it's just awful when you wood and everything. We use our fireplace a lot, so let's see if we can make this look. We've got my copper, metallic copper pylon fusion all-in-one paint and primer. Metallic finish, no till and copper, all that. This is my little, it's a Rust-Oleum, I guess, item that makes it easier to spray. If you sprayed any project for, I don't know, more than 3 minutes, you realize it's really hard in your hand, so this makes it a little easier on your hands to have. I think this was maybe like $5. This whole concoction is 6 tablespoons of dish soap and a cup of baking soda. And I, of course, found this online, and I'm going to try to, it's just like a paste, so I'm going to try to just put it to the area and then scrub it a bit and see if it works to take the soot off of the fireplace. I'm just gonna do this one rock that's like right here that is very dark. And then I'm gonna let it sit on there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna scrub it. And then I will steam it off. See if it actually works. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. Where do you normally put your dishes?